Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can log in into the University of South Wales. The university is the second largest university in Wales in terms of its student number and offers around 200 undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The university has three main faculties across its campus in South Wales. Now, if you want to get logged in into your account, first of all, you open the browser and on the browser you type in southwales.ac.uk. Press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of the University of South Wales. Once you're at the home page or the web page of the university, you can see here at the top there's the option of student/staff login. You click on that. Now here you can see there's two options available. That is the student and staff. If you are a student, you click on student, but if you are a staff, click on the staff option. You choose any. I'm going to show you the student login. Now to get logged in, you need to provide the sign-in details. That means you provide your email address, your phone number or the Skype address. Type in the email address in here. Then click on next. Now here you provide the password for the account. Once you're done typing the password, you can click on sign in, and with this you will be logged in into the university. But if you forgot the password for your account, you can click on the option available forgot password and you will be directed to the page where you need to follow few instructions to recover your forgotten password. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how easily you can log in into the University of South Wales. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.